right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we took it back. All the way back.
All the way? To the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel.
A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Quill. I am Groot. Yes, like that. I am Groot. And that. I am Groot. That was the weirdest.
This trafficking is
The Big Bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! We're ready! Oh yeah! We'll see about that!
Get us some.
This thing is more complicated than I thought!
I will destroy you.
We get that all the time! Rocket, anytime! Hey, let me try this! The Milky Way just formed.
I hate them.
Quill, we're here.
It's about time!
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, wait your start blasters. We have him contained, but not for long. My world would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect! Let's run it down!
We're back. Locking coordinates for EPCOT.
Have guys doing these things.
You're all heroes. You really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
We're lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardian